So as part of my nutrition, food that I'm trying to eat healthier and bulk up for muscle. Let me see if I can try to open this with one hand. This is natto. And then I'm just going to get a bowl. Here's my rice from Niigata. Koshi curry from Niigata, one of the best rice or the best rice from Japan. Here it is. There we go. 2 scoops. I need some carbs today because I'm running about an hour, so that's about the quickest is about 6 kilometers within an hour. So I'm going to take this natto, very good in K2 and some protein. Kind of have to wiggle out the strands. Okay, I'm gonna put down my... Okay, here with my chopsticks, I mixed up the... it's like a soy sauce. It's like a light tsuyu. A little bit of flavoring to it, and then some mustard. And then here, I'm gonna take another bowl. I'm gonna grab raw egg. Oops. Then I'm going to use some of this, I think you use this for dipping as well as with noodles. So I'm going to add a little bit in here. And then I'm going to mix it up with my chopsticks again. Okay, so mixed it up with my chopsticks, obviously since I can't do it while holding the camera. So I have my eggs, good source of protein, natto, protein, and K2, and my rice for carbohydrates. This is going to be my breakfast this morning. I'm gonna mix that up there. Okay. Let's see. Well, I'm gonna need my chopsticks again. Hold on. And so here I have the raw egg with the tsuyu and the natto and the rice, and then I'm going to kick it up a notch with some kimchi for gut health and to give it a little bit kick. I'm going to just mix it up. And voila, this is my breakfast for the morning as I try to bulk up with some protein, and I need some carbohydrates for my running, so I need some energy. This is a really nice breakfast, especially when it's hot and humid like today in Japan. And something really quick where I need to get my protein in and carbohydrates as well. All right. Comment below if you tried this in Japan or if you try this anywhere in the world where you're at. See ya. Bye-bye. Like, subscribe, comment.